namhlanje niphume ngobuningi nizosupporta uDuduzile Zuma Sambudla. Awukusitshela ukuthi namhlanje kwenzani?
Ngibingelele umsakazi, ngibingelele ababukeli emakhaya, indeed ukhulumayo uqinise wacibane upresent abantu abasha we-MK. Sila namhlanje nathi si-MK Youth League to support one of our own, uComrade Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, who is a member of the MK Party, a member of Parliament and also a member of the Pan-African Parliament. Sibuka ukuthi ubulungiswa abenziwa. That's why siphume sizomeseka. Many reasons because siyabona ukuthi umshushisi nomuntu oyiweakness ufakazi into abayishoyo ba personally abanawo ama point anama facts bathi ama tweets akhe ay inciter I violent but why instigator. Now if umuntu eposter abantu bebhikisha abantu bemasha abantu beshisa, how is she instigating? Because vele lento le isiyenzeka. Maybe we must define the word instigation qala mhlambe ukuze sonke sibe on the same page. But sesiyabona ukuthi our good lawyer ubaba uSC Mpofu, our advocate ubuza imibuzo relevant even umshushisi benayo ufakazi lobehluleka ukuphendula. So ke ngasho ukuthi iMK party is being tested ngento eyenzeka la.
Umbuzo obvious abanye engawubuza nje ukuthi kunabantu abathi this is just a mere campaign to dent the image of the party. Uthini uvo lakho kuloko?
Well, it is just a mere campaign to discredit MK party kuma voters ukuthi inabantu abayizihonga abashisa imigwaqo abangabhayidi by the law. We are abiding law party thina as MK party, but futhi asifuni into ezoba ukuthi ngabe nokulungiswa. So MK party is the only organization emele abantu abamnyama ekhulayo currently, so they will do anything ukuthi bayilimaza. I'll give you one question: why state took it 4 years ukuthi imcharge uComrade Duduzile? Why when I say khona MK party, she's a member of parliament, she's a member of the Pan-African Parliament? Why? Mainly because of MK party benesithunzi esibi la ngaphandle emphakathini. But MK party nahlangano lezokwazi ukuthi isikhulule even the law lesihlukumezayo, this Roman Dutch law will be changed by MK party mase siphethe emandleni emaduze nje.
Do you think ilaw ke yona judicial yase South Africa is being used sometimes for personal gains?
Ngingasho ukuthi inamehlo khona babonayo khona engababoni. Ngikhuluma nawe ngithi nomongameli watholakala nemali ngaphansi kombhede yamadola which was not declared, kodwa our judicial system is quiet, even iyasuppresswa wayeyona. So we are saying thina ilaw must take its course, ayingabi namehlo, engabe factional, ayingakhethi, it must take its course.
Baphumile abantu ngobuningi in support of the very same cause kule case. Thina uPaula kwakho
abantu bakithi one sifisa ukusho ukuthi nje babeze lana nje bazosupporta ubulungiswa and MK party, because MK party right now bafuna ukuthi ngabi nethemba ebantwini kanti abantu bayethemba iMK party. So ke iyona nhlangano le yabantu abayazi ukuthi imele icause yabi athinde ukuthi akube khona economic emancipation in our lifetime.
Mhlawumbe njengoba icase iqhubeka usho ukuthi Monday liyabuya icala, so lokho siyibona support njengale.
Ngisho kubona ukuthi Monday izoba nkulu kunalokho. Ngingasho ukuthi njengamanje ngebusiness mobilization plan as Youth League working hand in hand with iMata board, but on Monday cela nifike khona nje nibone ukuthi MK party yini kwaza mkhonto kwaza.
Mfethu siyabonga isikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina.